what everyone else does, right? Really? They just push it in from the sides.
Yeah, you know where.
All right, hello there. We're Team Dude Who Froze My Shaft, and we'll be explaining our motor design today. There's Jacob. There's Kyra. So to start off with the winding pattern, we have 6 coils, and each of these coils is wound in series with the opposite side 180 degrees away. And so the reason why we've done this is so that as our motor rotates and our different commutator pads are energized, we get the full current load through our coils that are in the optimal position to receive the most magnetic flux. And then in addition to that, our magnet holders here, you can see we had cutouts into our base plate here that allowed us to push these L brackets to basically as close as we could get them to our motor, since magnetic field drops off, or magnetic field strength drops off with distance squared. And so we've glued that in place, and then our actual magnet holders go into slots in these L brackets, and this allows us to quickly and easily take our magnets out and fine-tune things if needed in the future. Right.
For the commutator, we use copper tape for each of the pads here, as you can see. We also created kind of a housing that encapsulates both ends of the pads. Originally, we were going to use plates, so this is to help prevent it from slipping. And additionally, we have divots where these copper pads were inserted into, so that we would have a consistent outer diameter and outer circumference, and that would help us reduce the change of pressure and friction that would be on these pads, having more consistent torque. And then each of these wires from the windings is soldered to the pads here, and this cap helps keep everything kind of lined up.
Okay, and then finally, to actually provide some energy into the system, we have this simple brush loading device made up of only 4 pieces. You have the actual brush itself right here, which is made of graphite. We have a spring that was scavenged from a pin. We have this loader, 3D printed piece loader, and then just a wire connecting through the whole thing. And to put it simply, this spring provides a force as we push this brush into the commutator pad. As it spins, this keeps it on it with a consistent force and a consistent charge going through the motor.